Welcome everybody to Average Kitchen Eats. Today it's going to be a quick one. Easy cabbage rolls. I have leftover filling, as you can see in the video. First we're going to blanch the cabbage to soften the leaves. We're going to pop the core out, blanch it for 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Now I'm going to be honest with you, this is actually my first time doing this. So see how it goes. Make sure you got a sharp knife. This is kind of not that great, the one I got, but it should work. Well, there you go. We'll try that. Let's put this in boiling water for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna simmer it down to about a 2 or 3, and then go from there. Alright, water is boiled. Drop your cabbage in, 4 side down. Okay, now you're going to turn it down to a 2 or 3. Put your lid on. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Then we'll be back. Alright, so 10 minutes is up. Now what you want to do is take 2 forks, slowly go back, open it up a bit. It's going to be hot, just so you can deal with it. Let that cool for another 10 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so pretty much got it all done. Like I said, it's my first time making these. I've had to put the cabbage back in the water 3 or 4 times, take a few layers off, redo it. I also took a knife and I just trimmed this hump down on each one. As you can see here. Just want to do that so it's smoother when you roll them. See here, right here, just so it rolls easier. I'm going to use these ones first and then put the green ones on top. So now let's get a pan, sauce it up, and start the process. Alright, let's see how it goes. Okay. I eyeball them up here. Up. I'll do one more and then skip to the next part. Fold them in. Okay, there we go. Had to make up an extra batch. Now I'm just going to put some diced tomato on top. Just a little bit. Over here. Let's take that in. There we go. Now we're going to take the leftover cabbage. Just going to set this on top. Just like that. It's okay, you can tear this. That's fine. Goes in a little bit easier. There we go. Now just put it in your oven. Make sure you put the lids on first. They're tin full if you don't have a lid. 350 for an hour and a half. I'll see you then. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see. Excellent. So just give me a sec here. I'll grab a fork. Now, as you can see, this is just the leaves that I put in on the top. Just move these back. Oh. Some cut up tomatoes. Now you got to let these sit for at least a half hour, or preferably overnight. And you could put them in the pan to more fry them up for a couple minutes. But so there you have it. Looks all right. Like I said, let this sit for a half hour. And enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.